Welcome to Thailand. We're looking for freaking bus. I am rich now, ready to go. Buses are here. Thank you, bus. It's raining. I'm gonna get to a hotel and go out tomorrow. I am in Phuket. Let's see what's happening here. Golden Dragon, old Phuket town community with a beautiful river. Lots of bicicletas. Clock tower. It is 31 degrees outside, very warm. They sell some grass. So many photo shoots. I need to do my own photo shoot. Freaking busy area. Beautiful river. We're going to McDonald's. Beautiful hotel. Kiss, kiss, kiss. People going places. McDonald's is in good area. Your tailgate is leaking. My best friend. We got some free food. Yes, sir. Truck. Got some free food going on. It's like a Walmart. Lots of food. Another day in Phuket. Today I'll try to get to PATONG beach. Shrine. Bus leaves in 3 minutes. We found the bus. Some cartel. Thank you. We made it. Patong Beach. Freaking nice beach. Hotel for sale, boy. It's a cool light pole. What does that mean? That freaking wire management though. Bangla Walking Street. Moulin Rouge. Got all kinds of bars. Pink Paradise. Freaking intense. I did a little swim. Very nice. Sign is broken. Very cool. Let's get out of here. Bro is fighting on the freaking truck. Going back. Today I'm leaving Phuket Old Town, going to Patong Beach for 3 days. I'm gonna miss that river. Room tour. We have a bed, TV, fridge, chair, beautiful street view, bathroom, all you need, and that's $22 a day. $3.40 for this beef soup. Today we're exploring Patong beach. We start with the big golden chicken. Thank you, chicken, for your sacrifices. People selling ice cream and fruit. 7-Eleven. Getting some of that. This is nice drink. Would you like a massage? We're back to the beach. Flyer coming in. Yay! Influencers, dolphins on dolphins with dolphins. Patong, patong. Can I go back to Italy, please? Massage. Free Wi-Fi, no sex. They're changing the place for the night. I need to come back in a few hours. Let's see it. It's raining and the place is still busy. Let's freaking go! What a great night! Great weather as well. Let's go out. Madness continues. Fish. All you need in life. We're trying out honey roti with Americano. Not much going on here. It's following me. Going to paradise. Keeps coming back. Cool. Dog took off. Oh well, good luck. Got myself M150. Freaking elephant. What's going on? Very nice. Freaking tourists don't want to walk. Check out this thing. Rain is coming. Rain is loud. We are back at it. Whole town is here. Good day on the beach. Doing some laundry in Thailand with a friend. Saturday night starts with a street food place. 100. Excuse us. Last night in Thailand. What a beautiful view. But I have to go to Japan now. California. I'm coming California. I'll be there. Bangalore during the day. Thank you, boss. Let's get out of here. See you later, Thailand.